Approximate. Close to the actual, but not completely accurate or exact. The approximate cost of the project is $1,000. He gave an approximate answer to the complex question. We are approximately 5 minutes away from the destination. The recipe calls for approximately 2 cups of sugar. The population of the city is approximately 200,000.